Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a logo in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr, where you can get started with logging in. So in the upper right corner we want to use the login button. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with the image editor. So if you scroll down a bit right here, you can see that we have the AI photo editor that we can use, or the AI image generator. So you have two options. The first option guys is using the photo editor, which you can use to open up your image that you want to edit. So if you already have a logo in mind that you want to create from an image, then you can just go ahead and open up the image and use their editor. But if you want to create a logo just from an AI image generator, we can do this by saying, create me a logo, me a logo for YouTube of a brown dog. So as you can see, let's say we want to go ahead and create our logo of a brown dog that we want to use for YouTube. As you can see, this is now going to go ahead and get started with generating our images. Here you can see all the other AI generated images right here on Pixlr that you'll be able to use. And as you can see now, this is our logo right here that we can go ahead and get started with downloading and using for our YouTube. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.